In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ping on Basecamp. Ping on Basecamp is a great way to have direct conversations with one or more team members without cluttering the entire project. It's a private and focused way to communicate, especially when you want your message to go directly to specific individuals rather than in a general space. Let's dive into how you can easily start a pinging conversation. First, make sure you're logged into your Basecamp account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the top of the page where you'll see the navigation bar. Look for the section labeled Pings and click on it. This is where all your ping conversations will reside, a dedicated area for direct communication. Reaching this pings section is essential as it's the hub for starting and maintaining your conversations. Once you're inside the pings area, you'll have the opportunity to start a new conversation. To do this, you'll need to select New Ping. Alternatively, you may also see a plus icon that serves the same purpose. Clicking either option signals that you're ready to initiate a new and direct conversation, whether it's with one colleague or several. Now for the participants. Depending on your needs, you can choose to add just one person or multiple team members. If you're looking to communicate privately with just one individual, simply select their name from your team list. But if you want to include more people for a group chat, continue selecting additional team members. Adding participants this way allows for a focused chat that only involves the people who need to be part of the discussion, maintaining the privacy and relevance of your conversation. Remember to think through who truly needs to be involved to keep the discussion effective and on point. So, there you have it. Starting a ping on Basecamp is a straightforward process designed to help streamline your team communications. By using pings, you're able to engage with colleagues in a quick, private manner, ensuring that everyone who needs to be in the loop stays in the loop without filling your project page with excess chatter. This targeted approach to messaging helps make your collaborative efforts more efficient and less noisy. As you continue to use this feature, you'll likely find that it becomes an integral part of how you manage conversations and tasks within Basecamp. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Happy pinging!